When your body is struggling through your detox, sometimes it's good to give it a little help. All natural supplements are healthy and can be taken even after your detox is over to help your body's natural detox process. Most of these supplements can be found at your local health food store or online. Just make sure they are all natural. As always, if you are currently taking medication, check with your doctor before taking any supplements. Some supplements, even though natural, can interact with medication. Schisandra. The Schisandra berry has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine. The berry's benefits are vast, but it is most well known as a booster for your liver. Schisandra is full of antioxidants and help to push the detox process along, protect your cells from free radical damage, and helps to ward off diseases. Schisandra can be taken in a pill, capsule, dried extract in water, or even as a tea. Magnesium. Toxic overloads in the body can cause constipation. Magnesium can help because it assists in the relaxation of the muscles inside the digestive tract. It can also help to neutralize stomach acid. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. It is probably one of the best supplements to take before, during, and even after your detox. Milk thistle strengthens the liver's cell walls, protecting it from toxins. It can also help to reverse years of damage to the liver from prescription meds, antibiotics, alcohol, metals, and pollution. There are a lot of beneficial supplements on the market. Make sure to research them thoroughly, and take those that fit what you need best. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our video to watch more from Lifestyle Fitness channel, likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest exclusive videos, plus hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.